have an ice-cold fruity drink in your hand. In this video, let's mix up some refreshing fruity mocktails with the flavors of fruits, sabja seeds, basil, mint and lemon. They make up a perfect summer drink. Also friends, do not forget to subscribe to my channel, like and share my video with your friends and family. Do hit the bell icon at the bottom to get the notifications when I post up new videos. Thank you. To make pomegranate sangria, we are going to start with some ice cubes in the jar, followed by 100 ml of pomegranate juice, about 50 ml of cranberry juice, a little bit of lemon juice, a little bit of sugar syrup. You can also use regular powdered sugar or sugar. I'm going to top it up with some soda, plain soda. Some fruits, and a few sprigs of mint leaves. The pomegranate sangria is now ready. To make pineapple and mango punch, I'm going to be adding some pineapple slices to the mixer jar, some cubed mangoes, a little bit of ginger. I'm going to add some water and grind all of this together. I'm going to now strain this juice. We are going to now assemble a few ice cubes. I'm going to pour in the juice above this. Honey to adjust the sweetness. Top it off with a little of water. Give all of this a good mix. Topping it off with some sabja seeds or basil seeds and some mint leaves. The mango pineapple punch is ready. For making watermelon and orange punch, I'm going to make some watermelon juice. I'm going to strain the watermelon juice. To assemble the juice, I'm going to start with a few ice cubes. I'm going to pour the orange juice that I squeezed earlier. I'm going to top it off with the watermelon juice. A tiny bit of pink salt as per taste. This is optional. Give all of this a good mix. Add a few mint leaves. sabja seeds or basil seeds. The watermelon juice is now ready.